Hi everyone, good afternoon from Hasa KSA. This is Pinoy Hasawi. Now I just want to give you a quick update here in Hasa. Alright, but before that, how are you guys? I hope everything is good, and of course everything is fine. Like these doves, all right, they are happy and eating together as one group. All right, but by the way, just a quick update here in Hasa, and the whole eastern region, which is part of that, is Hasa. Now still, if you can see around me, see, there is still like foggy, but actually that is not fog, that is dust, because exactly now it is already 3 days when the sandstorm started. So it is, it seems like the area is foggy, but again, that is sandstorm. And that is actually normal na dumadating here in KSA every time na magpapalit na ng weather, like from the winter time going to summer. So usually nagkakaroon ng what we call is sandstorm, dust in the desert, and when the wind hit this this dust in the desert, then it will make some we call it sandstorm, na talagang magko-cover siya sa area. And ang pinaka danger dito, when this dust mapupunta roon sa mga road, so it is very hard. Why? Because it is also danger for the vehicles, especially for those small vehicle. So napaka-delikado, because normally the brake cannot, usually the car will lose its control, especially the brake, because of this dust. So guys, ito yung situation dito sa Saudi Arabia now, especially here in eastern region, and part of it is Hasa. And today, ito na yung pangatlong araw magmula nung nagsa-sandstorm, and still meron pa rin. So dust is real, nga, at pumapasok talaga sa sasakyan, and even in the house. So pumapasok talaga, even the house is closed, but there is an air conditioning, so don't pumapasok sa aircon, especially if we are using window type air conditioning. Alright, so I hope that's a quick update only. And here still sandstorm is covering the area of eastern region. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching of this quick update, and I hope you gain some little information here. Thank you for watching, and once again, this is Pinoy Hasawi. I'm gonna see you next video. Bye bye for now. God bless you all.